Good afternoon. I'm Tammy from Heyde Sewing. Wanted to give you a quick update on an upcoming class that I'm going to be teaching. It's this real cute little heart table runner. It's going to be held on February the 6th. We have a couple of seats open if you're interested. The price is $35 and that does include the pattern. You come in, you pick out your own fabrics. It takes a yard and a half of fabric. You pick out your fabric and you do get a 20% discount. It's simple, it's a beginner class. We're gonna learn half square triangle, how to make little corners on a square, and how to piece it together. So it's a lot of fun. Hope you can make it. Thank you.